So, I had the problem with a couple of my chargers. When I plug it to the phone, it will lose a charge sometimes. Or it will just start blinking, as you can see on this video. And I had kind of thinking about that. At first I thought it's a problem with the port, but then I borrowed a cable from a friend of mine and I had no problem with charging. I pick up my old cables and start looking at it, and I saw this corrosion on one of the connectors on both sides. So I grabbed the needle again and scratch it, all the black stuff of my connectors. And then I plugged it to my phone, and so it helped. I could use my old chargers again and didn't have to buy a new one for 20 bucks. And yeah, I have no problems, so you can do it yourself. Just clean your connectors and you will be good. I hope this video was helpful. Have a good day. I'll see you later. Enjoy your cables when it's charging.